Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. For today, we will be doing what we call Hyper-V virtualization on a computer. To use Hyper-V virtualization on your computer has become easy, where you can easily switch through to a different computer without any trouble.
We will start with going to your control panel, and you will see where there are programs. You click on uninstall program and you will see your programs on the left. Greater than, you will see turn on Windows features. When you open the Windows feature, you search for Hyper-V and click on the plus icon. You have to tick the 4 folders of Hyper-V. After clicking on OK, your computer will prompt you to restart. Before it restarts again, press F10 if you have a HP computer to go to your BIOS to activate VTX of the computer, and when enabled, then save changes and exit the BIOS.
Hello. After doing all of that, you have to get to what we call after restarting. When you restart, you will go to your Hyper-V manager. You will go to your search button, and then you will go after going on your Hyper-V manager on the search button and searching for Hyper-V, you will see Hyper-V manager, and then after clicking on new, it will open a new virtual machine wizard. For this wizard, you have to go to the settings, as I am doing. One, you have to click on this. For the name part, you have to click on name, so you can change your name. For the generation, you can choose any generation you want. And for the assigned memory, so if your memory is a bit low, you can use an MP or gigabyte. So, and then for the connection, you can use any default, or you can change that to what you want. And for this one, this is how you want for your storage to be in the new virtual machine you are creating. So you can choose what you want. You may have for 456 gigabytes. You can choose as much as you want. If it's low, it depends on you. And then after finishing on doing what you want, you click on installation options. So as you can see, I'm writing my and then you see installation. You click on install operating systems from bootable CD. So for me, I have an ISO file of Windows 11, which I've already done. So you can see, you click on the ISO window 11, and then you say open. After open, you click on, as you can see, I'm going, and then you say finish, and then you go on with all of that. As you can see, I'm going. You click on Windows 11. All right, let me finish it. Okay, good. For me, I've already done the Windows, so I'm just showing you how to do it. So after doing all that, it will take you to finish, and then already finished. So after finishing all of that, you click on where you see connect. After connecting, it will take you to this page. As you can see, I've already done all of that, and the installation is on. So for me, I'm now downloading or installing Windows 11 on my virtual machine, and I have a Windows 10 on my main computer. So this is a virtual machine. As you can see, this is the Windows 10, and I'm downloading and installing a Windows 11 on a virtual machine. So those are the first steps.